Hi folks, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Come Learn Together channel. And our endeavor is to provide you information about what's happening in the world today. So today, the topic which I have chosen is about cryptocurrency. The reason I have chosen this thing because you might have heard about Elon Musk's tweet that he will not be accepting, or Tesla will not be accepting bitcoins for purchases done through Tesla, and which has uh, which have affected the currency itself, and there is pushing and pulling of the currency, especially in the Bitcoin field. And simultaneously, some people have also tweeted in the social media about Dogecoins and about Ethereum, and which has also affected the cryptocurrency market. And the reason for making this small video is to just give you an insight about what is digital or a cryptocurrency. And the reason I am in front of you today is that like when I started at my young age to explore about this digital currency, so I could not find, or I did not find until date, I am not able to find something which can explain the cryptocurrency in the name and term. People use the big words like crypto mining, they use the big words as Binance, Coinbase, and all those things. But as a layman person, I could not understand what they really mean and why cryptocurrency is such an important like facet of life, and which is going when we are going to be pushed towards these digital currencies, and small countries like the third world countries are also aiming for digital currencies. So the first question which comes to my mind is that what is a cryptocurrency? And still I have lost a lot of my life in just learning about these things, but I don't want you guys to suffer for that kind of a thing, because most of the layman explanation is not given about the cryptocurrency. Now, what is cryptocurrency? Now, before we go into that kind of a instance, is that anything which you used for exchange of a value is called money, and we are stuck with that money thing. So when you see a physical note or a physical currency note itself, which says $50, 50 euros, 50 dirhams, or something like any other currency you may think of. So that note is promised by the central bank of that country, which says that you will be able to exchange it to a value of $50 or 50 bucks of services or goods or products out of it. But what if we started with this kind of virtual currencies or a digital currency? So the digital currency is just a tech term of having a note which you cannot see. So if you talk about Bitcoin, you will have a coin in mind, but you will never get a coin. But still, it will be good enough in the virtual world or in the IT world or in the internet. You can buy the worth of goods, and the worth of exchange of services can happen over the internet. So that's all about it. So we don't have to put lots and lots of efforts into this. It is a currency without a physical note or without a physical coin, but it has worth of the same thing which value is mentioned on that coin in the virtual world, and you will be able to find and buy products or services based on the thing. Now, who is regulating these things and who are the regulators like the central bank? That's a different topic, and I think it's too early for us to go into that thing. But we just need to understand that the cryptocurrency is a form of currency, or is a form of something called a digital or a virtual thing, which can be used over the internet, and we can buy, or I can buy some of the things. I can transfer money to somebody, and he can also use that kind of the digital currency to buy something for himself or herself. And this is the digital, and this is the future of the world, and how we can like make use of it, how we can invest, or whether we can trade, how the cryptocurrencies get generated. And there are lots and lots of questions about this. So we are going to get a series of cryptocurrency insights. Who started cryptocurrency? Why cryptocurrency? What is crypto mining? What is how the mining works? What is blockchain technology? Why blocks are more important in cryptocurrency? How and why people get into the digital mining concept of mining cryptocurrencies? What are the incentives? Why Bitcoin is halving, or the rewards are going to be reduced into half? Why it was decided like this? What are the other fruitful or potential currencies which I can invest, trade, or do something about that, where I can trade these things. There are lots and lots of exchanges and platforms. There are lots and lots of applications on the world. Some of the applications work in some of the countries based on their regulators, and some of the but the whole thing about cryptocurrency is that this is actually the whole idea is to have unregulated sort of currencies, okay, and you can trade, and there is no one person or no one central bank who can make one policy and you can get affected by that. But definitely it's a currency. It is affected by some tweets. It is affected by some the way it is being traded on the exchanges. So we are going to discuss all about things. What I would like to request you is that kindly subscribe the channel and click that bell icon button, so that once we are going to put a video a day. So that's our aim about explaining what is cryptocurrency and getting a deep dive into it. And hope to see you soon. Kindly be intact and be aware that we are going to upload a video a day about cryptocurrency, the digital market, the blockchain, and hope you guys will be able to understand a little bit, and maybe it's a career move for you, because now we have to think about regaining our finances, regaining the losses which we have bear during the pandemic time. So with that positive note, I'm going to end this video now. Hope to see you soon.